Hello, my name is Cade Vallot, and today we will be learning how to read music in the treble clef. Of course, the reason we are doing this is to better our understanding of music and to make ourselves into better musicians. A musician should be able to look at a piece of sheet music and instantly understand what is going on. But as of now, we are not at that point, so we will be going over the basics and learning our musical alphabet. And hopefully, after this short lesson, you will be able to read music in the treble clef. We'll be going over two main points, and those points being the lines and the spaces. Now, the first thing you want to do when reading treble clef is learn what the lines are and how they are spelled. Now, what helped me when I was learning how to read in the treble clef was to remember a phrase that helped me remember the order, with that phrase being, every good boy does fine. Now, you see, each of those words corresponds to one of these lines. You see, E goes to the first word, E goes to the first line, so this first line right here is E. And then the second line is G, third line is B, every good boy, and then D and F. So each of the 5 lines corresponds to one of these words. Ain't that cool? Now let's do an example real quick. This third line is going to be every good boy, so B. Now then we have this top line, so again, I'll give you a second to think about it, and it is F. Every good boy does fine. There we go. Now that we know the lines, let's learn what is in between them, the spaces. Now, the cool thing about the spaces is that they're even easier to learn than the lines. And this is because instead of needing to learn a phrase, you can get away with remembering just one word, with that word being face. I have it written right here. Now, same as last time, we're going to hammer them into our skulls with a few examples. But here, you see the first space is F, second space is A, third space is C, fourth space is E. So F, A, C, E. There we go. Now, this third space, F, A, C. This first space, F. Real simple. You just got to remember the acronym and the order it is. As long as you know how to spell face, you should be good. And now I'm going to pass out a short little presentation. Forgive me 1 second. Lord. Now, I actually have prepared a little bit of a test for you all. Now, those of you who are online should be able to see a picture underneath the video. Go ahead and give that a look, and you'll have 1 minute to complete it. Good luck. 1 minute later. Alright, now 1 minute has passed. I hope you all have finished that. Now, let's go over the answers to the test. With 1 being D, the answer to number 2 is F. The answer to number 3 is A. The answer to number 4 is B. The answer to number 5 is E. Answer to number 6 is C. The answer to number 7 is G. The answer to number 8 is E. Answer to number 9 is D. And the answer to number 10 is F. Now, I hope you all got those right. And if you have any questions, feel free to come talk to me after class. And with our newfound knowledge, you should be able to recognize any of the notes within the treble clef. Just remember, for lines, it is every good boy does fine. And for spaces is the word face. But this is just a first step in learning how to read music. Right now we are just laying the foundation of your future success in music. And as far as music goes, this is just beginning. I am Cade Vallot, and have a swell day.